Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds not launching or starting on PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First thing you want to do is open up your Steam, go to your library, find PUBG, right click on it and go to properties. Now you want to click installed files. And here you will see verify the game files are installed correctly. You want to click verify integrity, and basically it will verify if there's any corrupted or broken files on your PUBG. Now after that, if that still didn't fix the problem, you want to go at the Steam top left right there, click on it, go to settings. On settings, you want to go ahead and click downloads. On downloads, you want to go ahead, scroll down, and you will see clear download cache. You want to click clear the cache. And after that, the Steam will close up and you will need to log in again. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, you want to go back to your library right there. And on library, go to PUBG, then manage, and then click browse local files. Once you are here, you want to go to TSL game, and then binaries, and then Win64, and here you should find TSL game exe file. So once you will find this file, you want to right click on it and go to properties. On properties, you want to click compatibility and you want to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, and then click apply and OK. If that still didn't fix the problem, you want to open up Windows Defender Firewall. Here you want to allow an application to go through firewall, so allow an app right there, change settings, and here you need to allow another app and browse and find your PUBG. So for me it will be here, TSL game binaries. Again, you want to add that TSL game exe file, open it up and add it here. Now this game is already here for me, so I don't have an option to add it, but basically that's how it works. Now if that didn't fix the problem, you want to make sure that your operating system, Windows for example, and drivers are up to date. It can cause compatibility issues, so just check it on your settings on the Windows Update. And also the drivers are up to date, so if you're using NVIDIA, open up NVIDIA application and device manager. Now you want to open up task manager if none of that fixed your issue, and you want to close any applications which may conflict with Steam, so maybe some like Xbox and so on and so forth. You want to go ahead and end task to all of them, and after that the last solution would be to go to Steam again, go to PUBG Battlegrounds, go to properties, and here in general you will see launch options, and here you just need to write down DX11 and go ahead and save it. And that's pretty much it. That should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.